What do you say? Should we repot this baby? Look at this gorgeous bulb right here. So beautiful. Let's give it a new repot. It is a beautiful and sunny day here in Texas. I couldn't ask for a better day to repot this alocasia. It's gonna be so much work, I'm just hesitating on doing the job. All right, so it actually came out pretty nice. Just gave the pot a good pat. And this is what I'm working with. All the roots look super healthy and you can tell that it is ready to be repotted. Looks like I have 3 plants to separate. The real trick is how I'm gonna get these 3 stalks separated from each other. I had to meticulously and carefully separate these roots. I need to separate them. So I have to take this sterile knife always before you cut into a plant. Make sure your scissors or your cutting utensils are sterile. I'm gonna cut right here and then I'll cut over here. There's just really no other way of me separating this from this middle stalk. So I do have to cut it. Okay, so the separation is finally complete. Here's my big one. Here's the medium. And then here's this little baby. But what I really wanted to show you guys are these corms that I'm finding. I make sure that you put soil around the root ball.